Hello, this is Nick with Nick's Computer Fix, and here's a quick video on how to download Chrome Internet Browser. It's free and easy. Okay, let's go ahead and get started, but first, before we do, be sure to click on that subscribe button. It would be greatly appreciated. Okay, this procedure will work in Windows 7, 10, and Windows 11. By default, Microsoft Edge is installed as your internet browser in Windows, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then once we do, we have a choice. Once Microsoft Edge is open, we can type in the word Chrome on the search line here, or we can type in Chrome on the internet address line here. And once you do, go ahead and click on the search icon or hit the enter key, and you will get some links, and you will also get this message from Microsoft. There's no need to download a new web browser. Microsoft recommends using Microsoft Edge because it's the greatest and best. Well, if you don't believe that, right below you can go ahead and click on the Chrome link, and that's what we're going to do here. And once you do click, it'll bring up the Chrome download page, which is, really comes up pretty fast actually. And then you also get this message over to the right hand side. It says Microsoft Edge, blah blah blah. Go ahead and close that out. You don't want to be bothered by that. And then in the center there's download Chrome button, and we want to go ahead and uncheck this check mark unless you want to send info to Google. That's okay, you can leave it checked if you like, but go ahead and click on the download button there, and then it says thanks for downloading, just a few steps left, and then it starts to download Chrome for me. The setup exe is what gets downloaded. The Chrome application or the internet browser is not downloaded yet. And once I click on the Chrome setup.exe, I'll get this message here, initiating, and then it'll start downloading Chrome to your computer or your laptop. Then it will give you an estimate as how long it will take to download, and depending on your internet speed, it shouldn't take too long. And as you can see, it downloaded the Chrome internet browser very quick to me, and now it's installing it on my laptop computer. And depending on the speed and performance of your computer or your laptop, it can take a few seconds to up to a minute actually, but it's relatively fast, and it is completed now on my laptop here. So as you can see, it actually, let me go ahead and close this out. We don't need Microsoft Edge open anymore, and this is Chrome. And it did open up Chrome automatically. It also put a shortcut on my desktop, so I can open Chrome anytime I choose to. And if I want it down there on the taskbar, I can just drag and drop. That way I have a shortcut on the desktop, and I also have a one-click ability on the taskbar, and that opens up Chrome for me. And we have completely installed Chrome on this Windows 11 laptop computer, and that's the way you go about doing it. Alright, I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated.